So welcome again to a new video, and today we are having an interesting look at the next upcoming airdrop, which will be the ZkSync Airdrop. And in today's video we have a short look at what you currently can do on the network as well as on the test network to be eligible to receive the airdrop in the future. If that sounds interesting, you know what to do. And pretty much first thing, you need to have the ZkSync testnet in your MetaMask, and if you don't have that already added, you come over into chain list and you search for ZK and you will see ZkSync v2, and that pretty much is one thing that you need to do. Press add to MetaMask. I obviously have that already, so it won't do anything. And if you have done that, you are pretty much already set up to explore the testnet. And to get testnet Ethereum, you come into the faucet, and the faucet is fairly simple. You create an account there, post your wallet in there, send ETH, and then you already got the Ethereum. Then you can come over onto the portal where you can bridge over from the girly testnet over onto the ZkSync testnet. And for that you just need to put in the amount of Ethereum that you want to send over. And in this case I will just put in 0.2. And then our MetaMask will change to the girly testnet and pretty much will ask us to confirm a transaction. And if we do that, we already are set, and it will obviously take a while for it to arrive on the ZkSync testnet. But if you have done so, you're already set in stone. If you receive the funds obviously from the faucet, you can also come over here and get additional funds. You just need to tweet it out every 24 hours and you will receive a portion of different testnet tokens such as wrapped Bitcoin and so ever. And that pretty much is one thing for the testnet. And there's also somewhat the mainnet already, where you can deposit tokens already into your layer 2 wallet. And we already have done that a few times and also bridged over back again. But how you do it, it's fairly simple. You come over onto top up, and on the bottom side you will see the different bridges that you can select. I would recommend using the ZkSync bridge simply because that is their own bridge, and I think that would increase the chances of you getting the airdrop, because obviously if you use your own their own bridge, the chances of you getting it are very high. And if you do so, again, you need to wait a few seconds for the balance to show up. But if you don't so, you can come over onto ZkSync, and that's again on the mainnet for ZkSync, and you can start doing transactions over here. So for that you come over onto Ethereum and you see you are connected to ZkSync 1.0, and then you pretty much can buy and sell ETH here on the spot price and just do a few transactions to be eligible to also receive the airdrop. Again, what you can do besides testnet and mainnet, you can use the quest board, which you can simply put in the answers. Some of them are already in the Discord linked for my community, and that's really helpful. You just select pretty much what they have put in and then you're already set. That's pretty much it for the quest board. It's not really complex. You connect with your Discord, you connect with your wallet, and then you are pretty much already set up on this side. Next thing, which is fairly interesting to look into, is stuff on the ZkSync testnet, where we already know that there will be an additional airdrop regarding SpaceFi. And for SpaceFi, what you currently can do is stake your star token over in the farm pool, and also provide liquidity as well as stake in the NFT pool. And all of that definitely is recommended doing, because that would increase the chances of you receiving the star airdrop. And it's fairly simple to get started. You go over onto the swap page where you then want to buy star token, and to buy star token you need the girly testnet ETH over on the ZkSync testnet. And if you have done that, you pretty much put in what you want to buy. For example, 0.02 ETH gives us 45 star token. Then you confirm the transaction pretty much, and you already got them. Then you head over onto the single pool, go ahead and stake them over there. And we already done that since a few weeks, and hopefully we also got some decent rewards for doing so. Let's see what we got. Yeah, 369 during that time, so not too bad. And also regarding the NFTs, pretty much there is a page as well how you can access that page on the testnet. You come over here and you press on detail, and then you will be sent onto the website which is on testnet. And here you can buy those NFTs for star token. The cheapest one currently costs 17,000 stars, and that holds 10,500 star token, which you very likely will receive when the airdrop is getting distributed. And pretty much that sums it up currently. There is a few things more that you can do, such as joining the space. I put the link in the description down below. And yeah, that's currently it. If we see more updates, I will keep you updated. Until tomorrow, bye bye.